This simple YouTube channel with no flashy graphics, no expensive production, and just practical advice for seniors gained 190,000 subscribers in just 2 months and racked up over 10 million views, all by sharing basic but powerful tips to help people over 60 have better, healthier, and happier lives. This channel's success isn't luck. It's all about understanding what their audience truly wants. Seniors don't care about fancy editing, crazy effects, or complicated content. They want real, helpful advice that's easy to follow and apply. And by focusing on high-value and practical tips, this channel has built massive engagement, skyrocketing its growth and turning it into a money-making machine. And yes, they are monetized, earning between $2,000 and $45,000 in just 14 days. So what's their secret? Here's what they do differently. They post 6 videos a day, which gives them more chances to go viral. All their videos are long-form. They focus on simple, useful topics like health and independence. They don't overcomplicate the process, just clear, engaging voiceovers and relevant visuals. The best part is that these videos are incredibly easy to make, and you don't need to be an expert or spend hours editing. Today, I'll show you step-by-step how to recreate these viral videos using free AI tools, and also how to create eye-catching thumbnails that drive even more clicks and views. Make sure you watch this video till the end so you don't miss any steps. Alright, let's get started. The first step is finding the right topic. You could sit down and brainstorm ideas on your own, but let's be honest, that can take time, and you might not always land on a topic that truly resonates with your audience. To make things super easy for you, I've already done the research and put together a Google Doc filled with pre-written prompts that will help you generate the perfect and highly engaging video topics using ChatGPT in seconds. The link to this Google Doc is in the description below, so be sure to check it out. And if you've made it this far in the video, do me a quick favor, hit that like button. It only takes a second, but it makes a huge difference because it helps the YouTube algorithm push this video to more creators like you. Now let's get back to getting our topic. Now head over to the Google Doc and copy the special topic prompt I've put together for you. This isn't just any prompt. It's been carefully designed to help ChatGPT generate highly engaging, audience-focused video topics that fit perfectly within the senior health and lifestyle niche. Once you have the prompt copied, open ChatGPT and paste it in. When you hit enter, ChatGPT will instantly provide you with a list of strong content ideas across key themes like emotional well-being, physical health, mental sharpness, independence, and longevity. These are the exact types of topics that perform well and keep your audience engaged. Now go through the list and take your time picking a topic that excites you. The goal is to choose something that not only aligns with what seniors care about, but also sparks curiosity and encourages them to click and watch. If a topic grabs your attention, chances are it'll do the same for your viewers. The next step is creating our script, and this part is also easy. Head back to the Google Doc and copy the script prompt I've prepared for you. This prompt is designed to guide ChatGPT to craft a script that's not only informative, but also engaging and easy to follow. Once you've copied the prompt, open ChatGPT again and paste it in. Here's where you can personalize it to fit your needs. If you want a longer script that gives more detailed information, simply adjust the number of minutes at the top of the prompt. This ensures your script matches the length of the video you're aiming for. Also, don't forget to input the number of the topic you selected earlier, so ChatGPT knows exactly what theme to focus on. Once that's done, hit enter and watch as ChatGPT generates a well-structured, audience-focused script tailored to your chosen topic. The script will be optimized to keep viewers engaged, offering practical tips and valuable insights that resonate with seniors. After the script is generated, take a few moments to review and refine it if needed. With this method, you'll have a script that's not only high quality and engaging, but also aligned with the interests of your audience, setting the stage for a video that keeps viewers hooked till the end. With our script ready, the next step is to generate a professional voiceover for the narration. For this, we'll be using 11 Labs. Go over to your browser and search for 11labs.io. If you're new to the platform, click on Get Started and follow the quick steps to create an account. Once you're logged in, click on Instant Speech. This is where the magic happens. Now head back to ChatGPT and copy the script we generated earlier. Paste the script into the text box on 11 Labs. And if there are any parts of the script you don't want to include in the narration, go ahead and remove them. It's always a good idea to trim unnecessary details so that the final voiceover is clear and to the point. Next, it's time to choose the perfect voice for your audience. Click on Voice, and you'll see a wide selection of options with preview samples. But here's where you need to be strategic. Since your content is aimed at seniors, choose a voice that's warm, mature, calm, and confident. Avoid youthful or overly energetic voices. Seniors are looking for advice from someone they can relate to. not a voice that feels out of place. Once you've selected the best voice for your content, hit generate and let 11 Labs do its thing. In just a few moments, you'll have a crisp, natural-sounding voiceover that aligns perfectly with the script. Listen closely to the preview and make sure everything sounds just right.
Do you ever wonder what life will be like living alone after 65?
If you're happy with the result, download the audio file straight to your device. This voiceover will give your video that polished, professional touch that keeps viewers watching and coming back for more. The next step is to find footage for our video. You don't need to perfectly match every line of your narration with specific footage. Instead, focus on getting high-quality aerial footage that complements the overall tone and theme of your video. Aerial views work incredibly well because they provide a sense of calm, beauty, and professionalism, which is perfect for an audience seeking advice on improving their health and lifestyle. To get aerial view footages, we'll use Pexels. Head over to your browser and search for Pexels.com. Pexels is one of the best free stock footage websites where you can find high-quality clips without any cost. Once you're on the site, look for the search bar at the top and type in aerial view. After hitting enter, click on the Videos tab so that you're only shown video results. You'll see a variety of breathtaking aerial shots, from sweeping views of lush landscapes and serene nature scenes to calm cityscapes and beautiful sunsets. These types of clips create a relaxing and visually appealing experience for viewers, making them feel connected and immersed in the content. Aerial footage is especially effective for videos aimed at seniors because it sets a peaceful, thoughtful mood while maintaining a professional and polished look. Take your time browsing through the results. Download more footage than you think you'll need. Having a variety of clips gives you plenty of options during the editing process, allowing you to choose the best visuals that match the tone and flow of your narration. The next step is to get the perfect background music to set the mood for the video. We're going to create our own custom background tune. For this, we'll be using Suno. Go over to your browser and search for suno.com. If you don't already have an account, take a moment to sign up. It's quick and easy. Once you're logged in, click on the music icon to open the music creation interface. Since we're creating background music for a video aimed at seniors, we don't need any lyrics, just a soothing instrumental tune that complements the content. So click on Instrumental to focus on creating a music track without vocals. Now go back to ChatGPT and ask for a calm, relaxing music style that would fit the mood and tone of your video. Then click Enter and ChatGPT will suggest the best style of music for your video. Copy the music style and head back to Suno. Now paste the music style into Suno's, then give your track a title that matches the theme of your video and hit Create. Suno will instantly start generating a custom music track based on the style you provided. In just a few moments, you'll be presented with 2 music options that fit the mood and tone of your video. Take your time and listen to both tracks carefully. Now download the one you prefer to your device. Now it's time to bring everything together and edit the video into a polished, engaging piece of content. For this, we'll be using CapCut. Open CapCut, then click on New Project and import all the clips we downloaded from Pexels. These aerial shots will serve as the visual foundation of your video. Next, click on Aspect Ratio and select 16:9 to ensure it fits YouTube's standard format. Next, click on Audio and import the voiceover we generated from 11 Labs. Once it's in the timeline, listen carefully and trim any unnecessary pauses or long gaps to keep the pacing smooth and engaging. With the voiceover cleaned up, start arranging the footage over the narration. This step is all about precision. Carefully place each clip so it fits the timeline. The goal is to make the visuals feel seamless and well matched to the message. Next, we add transitions to our clips. Click on Overlays, then select a transition that suits your style. To keep things consistent, hit Apply to All so the effect is added across the entire video. Next, let's make the video more dynamic with effects. Click on Effects, then select Video Effects and explore the available options. Choose one that adds a subtle but engaging touch, then drag it across the entire timeline so it applies throughout the video. To grab attention right away, we'll add an opening statement at the start of our video. Click on Text, then type in the title of your video. Choose a bold, eye-catching font. Pick a text style you like, and apply an animation effect to make it more visually appealing. Since we want the narration to start after the text appears, move the voiceover slightly forward on the timeline. Now let's add a sound effect to make the opening statement even more engaging. Click on Sound Effects. search for a typewriter sound effect, and place it at the start of the video to match the text animation. Next, import the background music we created with Suno into the timeline. Then lower the volume slightly so it complements the voiceover without overpowering it. To make the video more viewer-friendly, let's add captions. Click on Text and select Auto Captions. Then select a caption template that fits the style of the video and click Generate. CapCut will automatically create captions for your narration. Once the captions appear, position and resize the text so it's clearly visible to viewers. Now watch the entire video from start to finish to ensure everything looks and sounds smooth. If you're happy with the results, click Export, then increase the video resolution to 4K and download the final video to your device. Now let's take a look at the final result.
Do you ever wonder what life will be like living alone after 65? Maybe you're already doing it. It can be freeing, but also a little overwhelming at times. The good news? Living alone doesn't mean feeling alone or unsafe. With a few simple changes, you can stay independent, happy, and confident.
The final step is to create an eye-catching thumbnail for our video. For this, we'll be using Ideogram. Go over to your browser and search for ideogram.ai. If you don't have an account yet, take a moment to sign up. It's quick and easy. Once you're in, click on the plus icon to access the image creation interface. Before generating the thumbnail, tweak the settings to ensure it's optimized for YouTube. Change the style to realistic to make the thumbnail visually appealing and set the aspect ratio to 16:9 to match YouTube's standard dimensions. Now it's time to craft the perfect prompt for the thumbnail. Go back to the Google Doc where I've provided the thumbnail prompt. Copy it, then head over to ChatGPT and paste it in. Before hitting enter, be sure to replace this part of the prompt with the title of your video. This ensures that the prompt is perfectly tailored to your content. Once you hit enter, ChatGPT will generate a detailed, well-structured prompt that highlights the key elements needed to create a compelling thumbnail. Copy the prompt, head back to Ideogram and paste it into the input box. Now click on Generate and let Ideogram work its magic. In just a few seconds, Ideogram will present you with 4 visually stunning thumbnails that align perfectly with the theme and tone of your video. Take your time browsing through the options. Look for a design that's vibrant, high contrast, and captures the essence of your content. Once you've found the most eye-catching and compelling option, download it to your device. And there you have it. Your thumbnail is ready to attract clicks, boost engagement, and drive more views to your video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments section.